Hey, meet again with Cak Koiri. I'm currently in the city of Wonosobo to take a close look at the community's preparation to welcome the 77th anniversary of Indonesia's independence. Indonesia became independent on August 17, 1945 after being colonized by the Dutch for 3.5 centuries and by the Japanese for 3.5 years. Celebrating the anniversary of Indonesia independence, the government has ordered the public to put up flags and banners at home, office, shop, and all crowded places. The installation of flag and banner will start on 1st August and will end on 31st August 2022. That's all my video and see you again with my next video. Thank you.